Meaning of hypernym.
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 Hypernym. A hypernym is a term that represents a general category encompassing more specific subordinate terms known as hyponyms. For example, animal is a hypernym, while lion, tiger, and bear are its hyponyms. Hypernyms help to organize information hierarchically, facilitating the grouping and classification of concepts according to their relationships with one another. They are commonly used in linguistics and computational language processing to identify semantic relationships between words and can also aid in natural language understanding and generation. Hypernyms provide a method for organizing and classifying information based on shared characteristics, making them useful in a wide range of contexts.